Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00943 error in Oracle database 12c. So now let me open the SQL Plus editor. So I log in as a C# common user which I already created. So now what I am doing, I am going to create one table called employees2, create table employees2, employee number column, name column, designation. So three columns. With three columns I am creating one table mapping to a cluster. So I am assuming that this cluster is already there. Cluster empn underscore cluster. Okay. Enter. That's it. So here you can see ORA-00943 cluster does not exist, errors getting thrown, which means that the cluster does not exist. The current user does not owns any cluster by the specified name. So what I need to do, we need to specify the valid cluster. So I don't know the cluster name. What I am doing, I am logging as a DBA in SQL Developer. So I am selecting all the cluster names. So select star from DBA cluster, select star from user underscore cluster, select star from all underscore clusters. Will give you the what are the cluster name available in this database for the current user. So there is one cluster is available for the current user, so I am mapping that to the table. So this will fix the ORA-00943 issue.